There is a gap between technological progress and people's real capabilities online. That's where Declix comes in. We want to fill the gap so that people are autonomous online. Declix wants to empower individuals online and help companies with a customer experience. And this is how we do it.
Hello, welcome to Declix. My name is Martin, how can I help you?
Hello, I'm Lorraine. I've actually lost my password for an online website. Could you please help me?
Of course. Just one moment, let me just share my camera so you can see me. Okay, so you should be able to see me now. And would you be able to share your screen with me? It's just in the bottom left-hand icon in your screen. So would you be able to open the website where you're having problems?
Certainly. So as you could notice, in just one click through the web browser, you are instantly connected to an assistant who can see your screen and talk you through your online difficulty or your computer, tablet, smartphone issues. That is fantastic, but it's not enough. At Declix, we are convinced that it is the social responsibility of every single online company to help their users with their platform. And this is what we suggest. Any online website can have its own instant assistant, connected to its own team of assistants or outsourced to Declix. So much is online. We need to make it as accessible to as many people as possible. Are you convinced? Click Declix.